Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I will teach you how you can integrate an AI bot in your WhatsApp that works intelligently like ChatGPT. This chatbot is an artificial intelligence program designed to interact with customers through text-based conversation. So let's see how to integrate it on your WhatsApp. Open Google Chrome in your mobile and search for Shamoose AI. You can see this website shamoose.ai. Open this website. As the website opens, you will see this button, Start Schmoozing. Click on this button. If it asks for any permissions, give it the permissions, otherwise click Continue to chat. After clicking the button, you will redirect to your WhatsApp chat. You can see this message Let Schmooze already typed in the chat box. Send this message. Click on Send button. Now you will have to save this contact in your contact list first. Click on Add New Contact. The contact has been saved. Now you can ask anything to this AI chatbot just like you asked ChatGPT. For example, I will send hi. It will respond to me intelligently just like ChatGPT responds. Now let me ask it to write a YouTube video script for me. Until it gives me my answer, let me tell you, it is not completely free. You can ask only 20 questions for free. After that, you will have to pay to use this chatbot. So here I got my YouTube video script that I asked for. You can see it has given me a high quality script that I can make video on YouTube. So this way you can use bot just like ChatGPT on WhatsApp and do your routine tasks easily on WhatsApp. If you like this video, please help me grow my channel by subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.